These happen to be the SOE or Special Operations bags. I'll put a link down below. Full disclosure, I do not make any money off SOE bags. I just think they have really good kit, and I'm able to use their stuff in various different ways, so it works out for me. The kit inside, I bought all the medical stuff from Amazon.com. I am affiliate of Amazon.com, and I will be putting all the links down below if you're interested in buying some of that stuff. Also, make sure that you go to threeriverblades.com if you're interested in any type of knife. I have a ton of knives up there, ready to be made, ready to ship to you. Also, if you are interested in kydex, go to Three River Kydex. Make sure if you are interested in a knife sheath, a holster, mag pouches, that kind of stuff, I make all that stuff as well. Don't forget to go to Patreon, become a Patreon member. I don't know how long YouTube is going to stick around with us, so please become a Patreon member. Again, all these links will be down below. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is called the small tool bag. It's a tool bag. It's very robust. It's excellent. He makes them in different colors. This color happens to be Typhon orange. I like the very bright hunter orange handles. To me, I've always been a big fan of that. I was able to get one of these reflective med patches. I got this from Amazon.com. Again, I'll put that stuff down below. Very, very robust. Now, if you have seen my other videos, you understand that right there is my medical kit for my vehicle. This is my hiking kit. This is the FUPA. That's called the vehicle med kit, and this is called the small tool bag. You can use it for tools or anything else. Now, what I like about this is very well made, very well constructed. It has hook and loop on the front, hook and loop on the back. It also has a pocket inside here. It also has a zip open pocket here where I'm just keeping some gloves. Okay, you can see that in there. And it has another zip pocket on this side. So I could really add a lot of stuff to this pack. All right, let's get on the inside. All right. This pack is basically going to be for range needs, or let's say a steady base camp. I like the fact that it has orange handles, so I could just tell somebody, hey, go get the thing marked med with orange handles. It makes it very simple. All right, so splint, any type of splint. Like I said, this happens to be the Sam Splint 18-inch. You can get the 36-inch if you like. What I like about having something like that is I don't have to go find sticks. Inside here, I just want to show you how everything's neatly packed. All right, everything is kind of ready to grab if I need it. So I'll just start pulling stuff out. Okay, so I have my quick clot. I have burn dressing. Okay, I have 2 of these Vaseline petroleum gauze strips. All right, so if you have a stick bandit or let's say a really nasty burn, you probably don't want to put a lot of dry gauze on there. It'll stick to it. When you rip it out, it's going to be a big problem. Okay, trauma shears. Headlamp, all right, 3 different modes, and of course red if you want to be tactical. I have a cat tourniquet, and I also have my soft teak tourniquet, so I have 2 tourniquets there. I know they're still in the packaging and someone's going to say something about that. Understand that this is for a base kit. If I am at the range, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have that stuff on my kit anyway, so I'll have it on my battle rattle. This is just extra, okay? Also, I have this, which is kind of cool, a blowout kit. This blowout kit is made by Aegis Medical, and it has the NPA, it has the halo, it has the catheter, which is for chest decompression. It has all your bleed stuff. So this little package right here is a blowout kit. All right, I was given that by somebody. Pretty cool. I have 1, 2 abdominal pads. These abdominal pads are 10-inch by 30-inch. Again, if I have a laceration or a really bad bleed in the abdominal area, they're very, very large sponges. I like to carry 2 of those. I have a bunch of compressed gauze pads. These are 2x2s. You know, that's like boo-boo ouch stuff. I got a blister, that kind of thing. I have that in there. I have 4x4s, a bunch of 4x4 steriles. All right, I have a Mylar Blanket. All right, the Mylar Blanket is to treat for shock. Very cheap. There's no reason why you shouldn't have that. All right, I have a bunch of these. These are benzene or Yeah, Benzene Swabs. What these do is they just clean out the wound. I always keep them in plastic because they can get a little bit nasty if they break. Two types of tape. This is the Transport 3M. It's 2-inch, and this is wrap. It's wrap tape. This is really good if you're going to do splints and stuff. It just sticks to itself. It's more like an ace bandage, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Speaking of ace bandages, I have it inside here. I have one. I have two. All right, I have 2 chem sticks. I think I covered this before. If you're going to carry chem sticks for medical reasons, make sure it is of a light color. I don't think red makes a really good color. I like the fact that if I'm treating someone that's bleeding, I want to be able to see it. So if my pen light dies, I want to make sure that I have something that I can see. So I usually use light colors. CPR mask. All right, if you're going to do CPR on a person, I know we don't do any more breath control. Oh, sorry. I don't think we do any more of the lung compressions anymore. I don't think we breathe in people's mouths, but if you need to, you have this available. Okay, so just throw that in there. Good set of tweezers. All right, these are clean. They're ready to go. All right, you can buy a bunch of those real cheap. And inside here, I have my trauma bandages. So just want to give you guys an idea of what it looks like, but also have ibuprofen, Tylenol, some stomach relief. All right, burn cream, first aid stuff, boo-boo ouch stuff. What is this? Triple antibiotic, okay, antibiotic cream, alcohol swabs, and you notice that I put everything in these plastic bags. It makes it very convenient for me. And inside here, I just want to show you before I pull everything out, everything is Velcroed on the inside. So from this side you have Velcro, and then on this side you have Velcro. These extra pouches are tool pouches made by SOE as well. So I could just rip this out, okay? I could rip that out and I could load up all the gear that I need to and then just slap it in there. It makes it very easy. It's about a 2-inch strip. All right, so I have some more gauze. I have a pen in there. And then on this side, if I rip this out, okay, this is my trauma bandages. All right, they're all nice and neatly put. I'll put another one in here just to finish it out. But again, 3 trauma bandages. And inside the bag, like you can see, very, very, very robust. You can fit a lot of gear in here. I have a bunch of these. I really like the tool bag itself. Again, made very, very well with the very thick handles. The webbing is good. I like the accents. The orange accents look really good on this bag, in my opinion. It's double lined. I think double or triple lined. Yeah, it's probably triple lined because you have the Velcro, and the Velcro goes all the way down to the bottom, so that's really cool. So that's about it, guys. This is my medical kit, again, like I said, that I'm going to take to the range. It's very simple and very easy to identify. I like it a lot. Again, SOE products, I'll put the link down below. If you head over there, tell him Three River Blades sent you. He doesn't give me any discounts or anything like that, but he makes great stuff, so I don't mind shouting him out. Please go to threeriverblades.com. Check out all the stuff I have up there. Go to Three River Kydex if you're looking for Kydex products. Also, remember to be a Patreon, guys. I need you to be a Patreon. Like, subscribe, and share, and put some comments down below. If this was your range bag, what would you put in it? Thank you very much, guys, and as always, please stay safe.